Here I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So to do this, firstly what you have to do is to open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, then on-screen keyboard, Samsung keyboard, languages and types, manage input languages. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can type on your device. For example, you have like the downloaded languages, you have other available languages, but firstly you will have to download them from the internet. So let's download some language. Okay, too complicated. What we have to do is to just switch keyboards from the Samsung keyboard to the Gboard, and now let's just manage Gboard's languages because they are downloaded already. So let's pick, for example, maybe Bashkir language. Okay, it's the same one as the Ukrainian. Some aesthetic language, for example, maybe Georgian. Can't find the Georgian language. Here it is. And tap done. And now let's try to write something down in Georgian language. And as you can see, now I have the Georgian layout on my keyboard here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.